So free space.
No.
Alright everybody, we're going to do a game that I haven't done in quite some time on my channel. We're going to do MTV Remote Control for the NES. Haven't done this game in a while, so let's see how I do. Alright, choose a category. Freddy's in control.
There's your reaction, Mikey.
I'm gonna pick number 8. The category is channel number 5. Well, channel number 5. Once they just had to look beautiful, now they have to memorize all those big words. These are models turned actors. What skinny British model was the rage in the 60s and did a cameo in the Blues Brothers? Is it Twiggy, Tiny Tina, or Cher? I'm gonna say Cher. No, not Cher. Not Tiny Tina. It's Twiggy. You know, when you die, you ought to donate your brain to science. So that's 5 points for player 3. Okay, Lauren, you are in control. Choose a category. Reruns. On Laverne and Shirley, what was Squiggy's first name? Albert, Arthur, or Andrew? I'll say...
What's the forecast?
Arthur. No. Not Albert. It's Andrew, yep. So Susan got 5 points for that.
I want to have sex.
I what you mean by I want to have sex. How about a web search for it?
Okay, Susan, you choose a category. 7. Cop shows. These are the facts. The following are questions about cop shows. The names haven't been changed to protect the innocent. Name the actress who played Officer Stacy Sheridan on TJ Hooker. Kelly LeBrock, Sheena Easton, or Heather Locklear? Heather Locklear. There we go, I got one.
Yay.
Everybody's got 5 points. Wow, I guess you're really not as dumb as you look. 5 points for everybody. I'm gonna go to channel 1. Bald guys. Big-boned and balding, actor Vic Tayback played short order cook Mel Sharples on what popular sitcom? Head of the Class, Alice, or My Sister Sam? Is it Head of the Class? No. Not My Sister Sam, so it's Alice. She got it. She has 10 points. Okay, Susan, you choose a category. Channel 3. Beauties and Assassins. She's the beauty who sings Naughty Girls Need Love Too, and he shot our 35th president in Dallas. Name them. Samantha Fox and Lee Harvey Oswald, Elk Summers and Charles Manson, Dolly Parton and Jack Ruby. Samantha Fox and Lee Harvey Oswald?
Yeah, that's it.
Got it right. Whoa, are you related to Einstein or something? No.
Nope.
So I'm tied with player 2 at 10 points. I'll go with number 9. Number 9. Number 9. Number 9. MTV.
That's something.
Paul McCartney winged it with what band after the Beatles broke up? Wings, Ram, or Klaatu? Wings. Woo! Woo!
Wings.
Oh yeah. You, my friend, are indeed a super genius. Alright, I'll stay with number 9, MTV. When Weird Al Yankovic parodied Michael Jackson's Beat It, what did he retitle the song? Meet It, Seat It, or Eat It? Eat It!
Eat it.
I said eat it. I got it right. Whoa, man. I'm awash in that glow of that fine answer. Alright, I'll finish out MTV. Joseph Simmons and Daryl McDaniel are better known by the name of their rap group. What is it? Salt and Peppa, Ice-T, or Run DMC? Run DMC? Yeah! Great answer. Do you think I might be able to hire you as a writer? Never know. So I have 40 points.
Well, the thing is that Aubrey and we are our own writers.
Yep. Channel 4, please. Private Eyes. They peek through windows and hide in closets. They're not weirdos, they're private investigators. On the Rockford Files, what 5-year experience taught Jim Rockford how the criminal mind works? 5 years in prison, 5 years in the Navy, or 5 years in show business? 5 years in prison? Yeah!
Had to be 5 years in prison.
So I'm at 45 points. Channel 2, please. Boy, were they stupid. Last season I asked these questions to a bunch of blockheads who didn't know the answers. Let's see if you're any smarter. On The Odd Couple, what was Murray the cop's last name? Slaughter, the K, or Greschler? Maury the K? No. Maury Greschler, yeah. Okay, Lauren, you choose a category. Boy, were they stupid. Oliver Douglas was a pathetic excuse for a farmer on Green Acres. What's the job he should have never left in New York? Lawyer, accountant, or literary agent? I believe he was a literary agent? No.
Maybe a lawyer.
He wasn't an accountant, he was a lawyer.
Nice.
Boy, were they stupid. Wow, I guess you're really not as dumb as you look. Beauties and Assassins. She starred in Top Gun and Witness, and he's the hockey masked killer of Friday the 13th. Name them. Kelly LeBrock and Freddy, Kathleen Turner and Leatherface, Kelly McGillis and Jason. Kelly McGillis and Jason. I'll go with Beauties and Assassins. Oh, it's snack break time. That's it for round 1. That can only mean snack break time.
Popcorn everywhere.
Oh, yes, popcorn. Lots and lots of popcorn. And now for a quick commercial break. Remember, all the point values are double now. Alright. I'm going to start with channel 4. Gourmet channel. Doctors report that Americans are more health conscious. Well, we want to contribute to this trend. So let's take... Harlan Sanders is at the top of the pecking order at Kentucky Fried Chicken. By what military rank is he better known? General, Major, or Colonel? Colonel? Colonel Sanders.
Colonel Sanders.
Wow, I guess you're really not as dumb as you look. I'll stay in that category.
Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Oh yeah, who doesn't love KFC? Oh, vegetarians. Staying in the gourmet channel. How many strips of bacon are there in a McDLT? 0, 1, or 2? 0. Wow, that's one dandy cerebellum you've got there. Let's close out the gourmet channel. Who used Good and Plenty candy to make his train run? Choo Choo Charlie, Ticker Ticker Tom, or Steam Train Sam? Choo Choo Charlie? Yeah!
Yes.
115 points, just like that. Channel 8, please. Home Shopping Zone. You're now entering another dimension, one in which you'll be losing 10 points, but picking this valuable prize. The best way to lose weight is through sugary, and now you can enjoy the benefits of immediate weight reduction in the comfort of your own home. With the Home Liposuction Kit, sure you're losing 10 points, but hey, just turn it on and take it off. Oh, come on! I've really lost 10 points for that? What? I'm changing channels. Channel 2.
That's stupid.
MASH. Which MASH character was the original owner of animals named Daisy, Fluffy, Sluggo, Wago, Bonzo, Hokey, and Babsy? Colonel Blake, Radar, or Colonel Potter? Colonel Blake? No. Not Colonel Potter. It's Radar. Uh-huh. Oh well, what are you gonna do? Still in the lead. Okay, Susan. MASH. What character was wounded by an eggshell, laid up with a hernia, drained of a pint of blood, and burned by hot lips? Henry Blake, Frank Burns, Francis Mulcahy. Henry Blake? No. Frank Burns. Gonna close out MASH. Which character was honorably discharged because he was the only one who could care for his mother? Klinger, Winchester, or Radar? Klinger? No.
Oh.
Not Winchester, so it's Radar.
Yeah.
Okay, Susan, where to?
Let's try some.
Whatever happened to? Old actors never die, they just find more demeaning roles to play. What child actor grew up and played in a rock band called Beaver and the Trappers years after starring in Leave It to Beaver? Ken Osmond, Tony Dow, or Jerry Mathers? Would it be Jerry Mathers? I'll stay with whatever happened to.
Okay.
He used to play the youngest kid on 8 is Enough, but recently he's been very adult and crashed up his Porsche. Who played Nicholas Bradford? Grant Goodeve, Willie Ames, or Adam Rich? Grant Goodeve? No. Adam Rich. Oh, player 2's starting to catch up. She has 90 points.
But you're still in the lead.
Yep, staying with whatever happened to. Closing it out. She's staying alive as a screenwriter, but Karen Lynn Gorney will always be remembered as John Travolta's dance partner in what film? Saturday Night Fever, Grease, or Welcome Back, Kotter? Saturday Night Fever? Yeah! Staying alive!
It had to be Saturday Night Fever because John Travolta was with Olivia Newton-John in Grease.
That's true. And Welcome Back, Kotter was a TV show. Channel 5. The Soaps Channel. Hold back the tears and answer a question about the daytime melodrama being described.
We're gonna be talking about soap.
On All My Children, Julie hears Cecily tell Hillary that she and Charlie are seeing each other behind her back, but Cecily was just lying to hurt Julie. What color is Julie's hair? Red, blonde, or brunette? I think she was brunette. Or blonde. Oh, I answered blonde by accident, but I got it right.
It's blonde. It
Yay.
works. Yay and stuff.
Channel 1.
We're going to this.
Video High. Where do 40-year-old actors go to school? Video High.
Okay.
Hanson, Hoffs, Aoki, and Penhall make up the 21 Jump Street team. Which one of them is female? Hanson, Hoffs, or Aoki? Aoki? No. Not Hanson, so it's Hoffs. We move on. Channel 6. More prime time. What teen star plays Wesley Crusher on Star Trek: The Next Generation? Will Wheaton, Corey Haim, or Emilio Estevez? Will Wheaton.
Will Wheaton.
Yep. Did you skip a lot of school as a kid? No.
No.
So I have 165 points. Alright, more prime time, please. Or no, off the air? Alright. It's getting late in the game, and frankly, Lauren, you're not exactly blowing us away with your grasp of TV trivia. Hit the road. You're off the air!
Bye-bye. So now it's down to you and whoever's in second.
Susan.
Susan.
Uh-huh. Another one bites the dust. It's our lightning round. Think real fast.
Someone rides the bus.
Change the titles of some hit movies into scientific reminders by replacing one word with an element. Alright.
Let's do it.
Willy Wonka and the Chocolate. Yep. The Last Emperor. Oh, The World According to Garth. Oh. 3 Men and a Baby. Come on, baby. Bright Lights, Big City. No, City. City. St. Elmo's Fire. Nightmare on... Nitrogen on Elm Street. Nightmare. Same time next... Oh, Repo Man. Oh, blame it on Rio. 235 points to Susan's 120, so I've won the game!
Congratulations! You move on.
We have a winner! All those hours in front of the TV have paid off and given new meaning to your humdrum existence.
You're off the air.
Today I am proud to be your video game. Treasure this moment always. That's right, I've won with 235 points. There you have it. So for NES MTV Remote Control, I have won 235 points, and that's enough to start a run.
Yay.
And stuff. Catch you all for that next video coming soon, peeps.